Hey everyone, it's Dave, the NV guy at Garland Shelton Nissan in Temple, Texas. Let me ask you this. When you purchased your Dodge Ram, Chevy, or Ford full-size pickup truck, compact truck, full-size van, or compact van, you would have had probably a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. But if you had purchased a Nissan NV200, a full-size NV cargo or passenger van, or a Titan or Titan XD full-size pickup, you would have gotten a 5-year, 100,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty from Nissan. And for the rest of the month of May, purchase your new Titan Frontier pickup, NV van, full-size van, cargo or passenger. I'll give you your first 4 oil changes free. Hard to beat that deal. There's lots of great opportunities here at Garland Shelton Nissan. You got to ask for Dave, the NV guy. Give me a call at 254-742-4149 or check out my website, thenvguy.com. Have a great day.